Welcome to another vlog with me Vaishnavi on Sunshine and Vaishnavi Vlogs. So folks, today in this episode we will learn about how to effectively prune our green leafy vegetables and other plants in our balcony garden. So folks, this is the gardening scissor I am using, and today we will see how to effectively prune our Chenangi plant. In our previous episode, I hope you have seen our Chenangi plants. It's been a while and now the plants are absolutely grown up. So it is time to prune them, because this is a balcony garden. We cannot let them grow
vertically. Instead, we can afford to grow them more horizontally. That means bushy.
So if we prune them, so what we can do is we encourage the growth from this sideways, so that it will make the plant much more bushy. Okay, so this is a plant. I have many set of plants, around 10 to 12 a dozen plants I have kept in this railing planter. So this is a plant. So all you need to do is just cut off this tip. So as soon as you cut off the tip, the hormones that encourage growth from sideways get automatically activated, and very soon we'll see growth from all these sideways. So it will make the plant much more bushy. We'll do the same for the other plants also, which are in this same container. See, this is the tip, and just cut it. See this? I'm just cutting the tips over here. I'm not doing anything to the side lateral branches. All I'm doing is I'm just cutting the topmost tip of the plant. That just takes a very little few leaves. That's it. Okay, so now I have pruned off all the plants in this set. See how simple it is to grow plants even in a small balcony garden like ours. So all you need is a good railing planters and a nice seed supplier, so that you can get all these varieties of plants, which are also medicinal plants, which you can use in your curries and other recipes. So these are my other butterfly pea plants. I have shown them in the previous video as well. So I am preparing these for the giveaway. So let's prune these plants also, so that you get more idea about the pruning. So just prune the tops. So this is the top, and just prune the tops. So you can see how fast it flowers, butterfly pea plant. So these plants I have kept in the DIY boxes that I have made using Karachi Bakery biscuit boxes. So in this box, at this height, the plant has already started to produce flowers. So you can see the flowers. So the flowers I have, as they are the first flowers on the plant, I have not plucked them. So now these flowers will now turn out into seed pods, which will produce very good quality of seeds again. So folks, this is the tamarind plant, which I have also shown in the previous video. So I have done the pruning for this plant recently. So you can see over here, when pruning is done efficiently for a plant, how it encourages the lateral growth. So all these stems in light green color is the new growth. So as you can see, I have just pruned off the top tip. So now between each and every branch, side branch, another growth is seen. So now this will make the plant much more bushy. Okay, so folks, I hope you have understood well about how to efficiently prune our plants in our balcony gardens to encourage more bushy growth of our plants in our balcony garden. Because as it is a balcony garden, all we need to do is we need to have more bushy plants with lesser heights, which will give us more amount of harvest in the subsequent days. So I hope you all have liked and enjoyed this video of ours. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Sunshine and Vaishnavi Vlogs. Have a nice day.